What's going on, guys? For those who don't know me, my name's Parker Nierenstein. I run the automotive YouTube channel Vehicle Virgins. My boys at Wheelsboutique just loaned me this awesome Rolls-Royce Dawn. We are headed to Supercar Saturday right now to meet up with some friends like Brooks from Drag Times. Gonna see what kind of sick cars they've got there. Then later on, we're going to the grand opening of Wheelsboutique's new location. Can't wait to see the facility for the first time. It's gonna be a good day. So we just showed up to Supercar Saturday. We've got a sick convoy of cars. We're headed to the Wheelsboutique meetup right now for the open house. Look at this beautiful GT2 RS. Let's roll. The top to get some sick rolling shots out the back. What up, guys? Just showed up to the Wheelsboutique open house. There are a ton of people here, a ton of sick cars. Got an HRE booth over here. Apparently, one lucky winner is gonna win a free set of Flowform wheels. That's absolutely nuts. My boys from Anarchy over here. And then, I gotta say, I got a tour a little bit earlier. The showroom is so sick. How about we go inside and check out the new facility? So we got an absolutely sick showroom. Normally, I mean, they do a whole bunch of super legitimate builds. Normally shops are kind of dirty and filthy, which is all good, but this looks like an absolutely pristine state-of-the-art facility. We got all the Anarchy and HRE wheels up on the wall. A bunch of merchandise. And this, I think, is super sick. So while your car is getting worked on in the workshop over there, you can see through this massive glass window, chill on these beautiful couches. Let's see what they're working on inside the shop. All right, Wheelsboutique always has something crazy going on. So let's see, let's take a little tour through the shop and see what we got. Absolutely beautiful Z8 on some wheels. Love that car. Looks like we got Porsche Turbo up here, and then over this way, you definitely do not see these very often. Jaguar XJ220, and I've been told by the owner that I might get to film a little special review on it once it's done. Crazy enough, I saw this car go up for auction during Monterey Car Week, saw it sell, and did not realize that I actually know who bought it. Got a beautiful 600 LT Spider over there. Such a beautiful color. And then this red GT2 RS. All right, so this is where most of the magic happens. This is the mountain balance station where they put on all of the beautiful Anarchy, HRE, whatever type of wheels you want on your car. Obviously, when you've got a really high-end car, you want to be able to trust who's putting your wheels on so they don't scratch them when they install the tires. Wheelsboutique put Anarchy wheels on my car, on my Huracan, so yeah, they're pretty legit. Let's check out their warehouse back here. Tons of tires. What up? Tires and wheels everywhere. This place is crazy, I love it.
they're done. That's it. We can't keep giving Ivy fire.
That'd be good. It'd be a good shot.
Guys, what is going on? My name is John Hilton and I'm at the Wheelsboutique grand opening, guys. It is too lit. We got exotics all parked out front. We got exotics all in the garage here. These garages are absolutely beautiful. We have marble floors. Whose garage has marble floors, guys? Wheelsboutique, Anarchy Wheels. Special shout out to Alejandro and my boy Brooks from Drag Times for inviting me. Great event, so stoked to be here. Man, I gotta bring in my 600 LT to get some work with you guys, because you guys are number one.
Oh, Wheelsboutique, man, place is absolutely insane. You need to come spend some mad money here. Make sure you can pay the bills. I got you.
Everybody, Brooks from Drag Times here. I'm here at the Wheelsboutique grand opening. Special thanks to Ben and Alex for inviting me out. This place is amazing. If you didn't see my Ford GT on those Anarchy wheels, it came out incredible. Of course, they're also starting a YouTube channel, so we're going to do a lot of really cool stuff with all the cars here. Their shop is just amazing. From all the wheels and all the different cars they got going on here. They're building all kinds of fast McLarens, Ferraris, and so with some really great results. We'll be out at the track with these guys doing some videos with their new channel as well, so make sure you check it out. And of course, check out Drag Times if you got a chance.
Interior of this beautiful Wyra, all red, carbon fiber. It's got the Tempesta package, so that beautiful updated front bumper, which I love. And apparently, this thing sounds pretty nuts, so we're gonna need to fire it up and listen to that V12. I have never heard a Wyra sound like that. I'm gonna have to get this from the outside. No cats.
So I wanted to show everybody the new shop. We're in the middle of our build out right now. We'll do a quick walk around, but we're gonna be doing full vinyl wrap in here, expel wrap, as well as ceramic coatings, detail washings, everything like that. Right next to Wheelsboutique, come check us out. We're gonna be working with some of the best dealerships in town, wrapping the finest supercars in the world. So this is gonna be a fantastic venture for us. So check it out, subscribe. Boom.
Suave. Digo, no les hacen un pistón, bro. Easy on it. Barbecue, look at that. Call the fire department. No. Flame like this.
A flame didn't
Don't make me rev this car.
No.
I know.
All right, well, the rain has stopped. Everyone's come back outside. It's been an absolutely fantastic event. A ton of epic cars, a lot of awesome people. It's been seriously so cool meeting all of you fans. I hope everyone had an amazing time at the event. I know I did. Congratulations to Wheels Boutique. Seriously, this place is freaking sick. I'm excited to see what the rest of my tour in Miami has in store, but guys, make sure you're subscribed to Wheels Boutique YouTube channel because it's about to get ridiculous. See you next video.